Hi, this is Cristi with Cristi Art Studio, and today we are introducing the painting workshops of windows and doors of Mexico. Those workshops are offered online and they are live, so you can ask questions as the workshop is progressing. The workshop is offered by Fernando Gonzalez. He has over 30 years of painting experience and he's collected in US, Canada, Mexico and Europe. You will work from a photo reference photo that will be sent to you after you register, and you would learn everything you need to know from the beginning to the end of the painting. The workshops are designed for all levels of experience. Beginners are going to learn how to prepare the canvas, how to start, how to sketch, how to place the first strokes of paint on the canvas. If you are intermediate, you might learn some new techniques. If you are advanced, you might get a refresher or just have fun along the way. When you register, you have to contact us in advance at cristiferart@gmail.com, also through our websites cristiferart.com and mexicoartworkshops.com. We hope to see you soon. Bye bye.